come off of me, so move. Come off of my channel. Move. You do damn bad man. She black. She fat. You just find out from the Panshana channel. Me did fat and black. From over there. Me never just come drop in the asphalt on my channel. Hey everybody. Welcome Kim Squad. So if you're Kim Squad, you're here from Notification Gang. If you're not Kim Squad and you're here, big up yourself, welcome. You're here for the title. Let's all have a good time. If you can hear my fan in the background, I'm sorry. It's a hot day, so yeah, that is happening. So as you guys see in the title, today what this video is going to be about is I'll be reading the comments, negative comments, both negative and positive to be honest. But I'm going to be reading those comments that you guys have been leaving under my videos. So let's just get to it, right? Before we jump into the video, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Kimmy_official, spelled KIIMII_official. Cool. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You can DM me your video ideas. You can also DM me for shout outs, as many persons have been doing, and just hit me up, right? So y'all go ahead and do that for me. Now the first thing I want to say is the cat I tried to tear off the cloth off of the table, but anyway. So the first thing I want to say is I've been getting people's feedback since before I started my own channel. I was getting person's feedback from my sister's channel, so I sort of already had an idea of what it would be like to have your own channel, and then to see what people are saying, to see if people like the content and whatever. So I was familiar with all of that. I need some water. Right, and somebody asked me, what do I like most? Yep, sorry. Somebody asked me, what do I like most? I like reading the comments. That is what I like to do, reading the comments, because really and truly, when I'm reading your comments, that's how I get inside of your head. That's how I know what you liked about the video, is your favorite part, what you thought of it, and what you'd like to see going forward. Even if you dislike it, your comments, me still find out and we can improve going forward, or I can give you the same content going forward, all of that good stuff. So the comments me like. My videos you watch because you get to see me, your comments me like because I get to hear from you. Cool. So naturally with everything you will have positive and negative feedback, because the truth is not everybody will like your content, because that's why everybody have different personalities, so your personality may not be like mine, so you may not appreciate the content that I'm putting out. And that is why it is so important that you know the power of subscribing or unsubscribing. YouTube will recommend videos from persons who you have not subscribed to. If it is that the video is popular, persons around you are choosing to watch the video, then YouTube is saying, you know what, if this region likes it, let me just try to broadcast it and see how that works out. What you can do, because you have power in your hands for everything, your social media is up to you. What you can do is, if YouTube recommends a video that you don't like, or you don't like the creator, you don't like the content of the video, there is a little dot, I don't know what to call it, right where it says recommended, and you can hide it. You can move it. So YouTube will not, going forward, YouTube will not show you all of that good stuff. May I say this because me notice that in the comments, and for me is that persons don't know that if you don't like the content, you can choose to not subscribe. Cool. If you have subscribed and you don't like the content, you can choose to unsubscribe. I've got to make that clear, because some of the comments on me get me, I say, I want them people that know say them can unsubscribe. Like me personally, don't subscribe to certain people. If you put out a video where me not like, me not subscribe, because why me I go watch it if me not like it? So you and I have the same power. If you put out a video on your channel and me watch the video, I watch your content, and I say, no sir, this might not be for me due to whether it be violence or whether it be too aggressive or the content is too vulgar for me, I may decide not to subscribe, because on my content I don't want YouTube to show me that, because I don't really want that energy there. You understand me? Just getting that out there, because a whole lot of people don't know this. Cool. Now, oh my god, I remember a couple of years ago, there's this girl on Instagram. Back then I think she did name Bad Girl Die or something like that. We used to watch her. But now she named Official Die, I think. And I remember once when Die put up one video and she crying. I mean, good bawling. And I said, blow out. When I watch the video now, she say, people are chastise her and people are tear her down at the comments and people are saying mean stuff. And the worst thing is those persons who are talking are persons who are still watching our content because they still want more things to say. You understand? Persons who've never even met her personally, so you really don't know her. What you are seeing is the character that she's putting forward. I remember it and she's crying and I said, oh my god, like last night I remember it and I said, wow. And she said she just have to delete her social media because she can't take it. I mean, I said, this is really not specific to me. It really happened to everybody. I mean, I understand why it is. If you don't like the people in content, if you don't like my content, unsubscribe. If you don't like the content, unsubscribe. Unsubscribe, move on. You don't need to leave a comment, you don't. It's a choice, okay? It is a choice. You don't need to leave a comment. If you don't like the content, move on. Move on. Please. Stop leaving your hating ass comments under my videos. It is so annoying. It is annoying because I read every single comment. I read every single comment under my videos. Trust me. When I read the comment this morning, but I read every single comment when I get to them yet. Every comment. For every time that you comment, I get a notification from YouTube. For every time that you subscribe, me get one notification from YouTube. I get emails about everything. I read the emails. I see what is happening. So if you comment, I'm gonna get it, right? And then when I can't talk about my skin tone no longer, oh my god, like oh my god. Let me read that comment here. Bushead Gamer says, oh wait, before we get to that, may I look for the, may I try to find the comment what somebody say. Wait. No, that's not it. That's not it. Wait, I'm getting there. Yeah, somebody says or said, 2 color skin girl, big up yourself, Yazid. This is coming from Insta QT _ Zixy, ZIXY. I'm gonna see that comment and I say, oh. Two color skin girl. Oh my god, I'm gonna respond to it today. You know what the funny thing is? When on a drop on the stupid comments, I'm gonna respond to it and just run gone. Or just run gone. You know what I like do? I'm gonna respond, pin it. You want my attention, you've got my attention. I don't want to pin it now or to move it and gone. And I say, oh, y'all don't want the Kim's one to see it, right? Okay. But anyway, so me I said to that person, I said, basically, listen, miss. Listen, miss. Listen, miss. I promise from an ordeal with me, you're not going to emerge unscathed, okay? You want my attention? You have my attention. What else do you have? And she gone. Okay? This person now, Bushead Gamer, says she look like a man. You should be on a diet. So you may not see you may not see this comment. Well, you're definitely not gonna see this comment because YouTube has it in the spam section. YouTube has it there. Really? Bushead Gamer, really? I look like a man? Really? I'm sorry. Moving on. Okay. Next comment. Anybody, this is coming from Devaney Lee. Anybody saw this female must be F-U-C-K ugly. Reading again from Devaney Lee. Anybody saw this, capital T with this in the middle of the sentence. This female, capital M for must, still in the middle of the sentence, must be F-U-C-K ugly. Miss Devaney, I mean you come out? Me? First of all, miss, you can't come about me if you can't spell. You can't come about me if you don't know how to punctuate a sentence. You can't come about me with capital letters in the middle of your sentence. You can't come about me. What is soy? Huh? What soy be? What is soy? Your favorite fart. Listen to me now, miss. Hear me and hear me well. If you're gonna put a hating comment, you want to make sure that your words them spell right. So I want to make sure so you don't have capital letters in the middle of the sentence. I'm so distracted by what you wrote that I can't even address what you said to me. You understand what I say? Now, miss, you know your phone have autocorrect, right? And if you lock it off as a fool, you really need to put it back on. Please to put on back your autocorrect. So the next time you have a comments and I'm a video and you're gonna say something negative, we can actually respond to you instead of being so distracted by the fact that everything you write a fart. Fool, like what? And then this same Devaney Lee, she not done yet, you know. This girl decided she gonna rub me right out, you know. Cool. Her next comment says, "What woman ugly? You couldn't do no better, man." Listen, I mean, I read it just like how she write it. I'm not fixing anything. Whatever you write is what me I read. So, what woman ugly you couldn't do no better, man? Basically, she said, what woman ugly I couldn't do better, man? Miss, you're not an option. You're not an option. You couldn't then be one option. So even if there is better than me out there, which there really isn't, to be honest, for him there isn't. I am best. Thank you very much for asking. But even if there was better, I know you miss because you can't spell. You can't spell or your sentence missing couple of words. So I know you. So left the man with me. Thank you if you ever thought. Look at her. Moving on to the next person, right? Next person says, oh wait there. I'm sure I saw it here, you know. I mean, I feel something that somebody I say. KK Smith says, seems he is a slower one. This is a comment made under the video. I think this was the lunch date with Jeff video. So KK Smith says, seems he is a slower one. Mask can't come off. 2, she say not going to see him for a while. To this moment, I don't know what you're talking about, ma'am. And you're not going to give me brain damage. I don't know what you are talking about. Seems he is a slower one. Mask can't come off. 2, she say, not look at her, miss. You go on here, miss. You go on here. Look here. No. Tash Bennett says, I really like how Kim speaks properly. She doesn't talk like how she looks. Wait a minute. What you mean, you know? What do you mean she doesn't talk like how she looks? How the hell do I look? How do I look? How do I look? How am I supposed to look to speak the way I speak? And additionally to that, me ask you something else. How do I look to speak the way I speak? What do you mean she doesn't speak the way she looks? What are you talking about? What is that supposed to mean? You know what I'm saying? Why may I tell you, say, really I make it look like most of the people that watch my videos are idiots. And you can't do that because I'm sure my Kim squad are some smart, slapping people. What is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you people? How am I supposed to speak? You want a highlight? See there. See there. See there. See it right there. Somebody else says, and you know what I was doing? I actually was sitting there with my nice clean self, you know. I removed people comment. I'm stop. I'm not move nobody negative comment. Nope, I'm leaving it there. So somebody comment and say, that girl you're not cute. No, oh, she said, LOL. She really isn't cute. LOL. LOL, you need to eat some shit. LOL. One of the things when we hear often to, you know, people I say, Kim is to this, Kim is to that, Kim fat, Kim, why she talk like that, why Kim so black? Jesus said you go take up census? What you mean? Him saying you go find out who is black, blacker and blackest and which category of that list. Look, you know, let me see, you know, I say, oh my God, if YouTube never have community guidelines, you see. Oh my God, I'm very happy that YouTube has community guidelines because the side of me that I would portray today would I lose all of my subscribers. Are you serious? What you mean? I remember once I got this comment and somebody say, why is she so fat? Why does she talk like that? She's really black. And I said, I'm a comment on that, you know, and I said, first of all, like the comment legit is exactly what I said. And I said, why this sound like one you could pick me? And then the name is Kazara Vlogs. So I say, you know, let me go look for this little pitney. And one time I go look, I want little pitney for shooting and I said, the hater come from big, old, older, young, everybody. What is your problem? What is your problem? Like I said earlier, you have the power to choose what to subscribe to, what to like, what to comment. And if you don't like the girl, if you don't like her content, do not subscribe to her channel. Move with your hating ass comment. It's if me I watch a video and I don't like it, you know, I'm not going to comment and say, oh, me not like this, me just move off of it. Me just move off of it because I know say it is my free will to choose what I want to watch. It's my free will to do what me want. It's my free will to subscribe to who I want to subscribe to, and nobody can bad me up to subscribe to them or beg me to subscribe to them. I don't want it, me not go do it. You see, because of that, excuse me for thinking that the entire world is like that. Matter of fact, not even the world but Jamaica, because the only Jamaicans are class me. Why we have to have this crab in a barrel mentality? For in all my years of watching YouTube videos, I have never left negative comments on people something. You know, full for video me comment and I'm go up and the little picnic and I say, this little picnic is no more than 9 years old. And I say, little girl, do not comment under my videos. Don't comment under my videos. If you would call that a negative comment, then okay. Because I know it don't necessary. I mean, I am open to constructive criticism, you know, like this person. I think it's this person comments on my video, and I'm gonna assume it's a female because the name of Beauty. And she say, you know, this prank is dangerous. Nobody asked for help. She could have died. Blah 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 blah. I mean, I say, you know, say true, you talk and whatever. I said, that's true. I meant it for a joke, but I also understand that it may not be for everybody. I'm sorry for the offense that you took, but you know what, I true you talk and whatever. And she responded to it and say, I've never seen a YouTuber respond with such maturity. And I said, alright, at least persons are seeing that I'm different. I'm not here to make problems with anybody. I'm legit here to make you laugh. I'm here to help you to have a good time. Somebody else commented and said, Kim, you inspired me. And I said, oh my God, I felt that. Trust me, even a stutter. That is how emotional I am about this issue. somebody comment and say, Kim, you know how I feel nice when somebody say me inspire them? Somebody say, Kim, I respect you. And that hit me. And the reason as to why is because there isn't a single person in my life, well, outside of YouTube, a single person in my life that will say, Kim, I respect you, and it's not respect that I've had to earn. Trust me. Trust me. Because appreciate, not really appreciate, but like me and respect me are two different something. Anybody will say me respect Kim one, best believe that I had to do something to earn that respect. And it's not something bad, I'm just saying I work my ass feet. So when somebody on YouTube can say, Kim, I respect you, I really and truly feel that for true. You understand what I say? So I have these really nice comments and people who are saying, girl, you're good. Thank you so much for the daily laughter. Kim, me didn't need that laughter. Yeah. Kim, me did a wait upon this. Kim, me wake up early because I know say you go post early. Kim, me did a wait upon you. Notification gang. Kim, me love you. Kim, me love your videos. Kim, me like you. Kim, thanks for the laugh. And me I say, oh my God, that must be my squad. And then you have them little pin panel people here. Would just annoy me, because if them comment one time and I don't see it, then people comment again, you know, because they mean I'm supposed to see it and them want me attention. Then when me pin I go, where you run for? Where you run for? You didn't come big, you didn't come bad, you never come bad. And then when I put one thing I want to say in our work, because in the comment on the top about how Kim dark, and then me not bleach, sorry. So, I left it dark too. Or, you know what? If me did dunks, I don't come and say, watch him, look at him chat bad, look at him dunks. If me did brown, and me do me nice makeup myself, watch him, look at him extra, man, in my look. If me did slim, and me turn up on petite and me show, watch him, smart him, look, watch him, show him body, look at him body flat, look here, look here. Look. I see what you want. Okay? I see what you want. Nobody's not supposed to be happy. You've got so many problems with yourself that you cannot see persons as persons. You have to pick out them issue, and that is because you see, if shit don't in your eye, you're not gonna see shit. If your eye clean, you're gonna see clean. If one matter in your eye, you're gonna see foggy. So everything when you see dirty are because you dirty. If your eye not clean, you're not gonna see nobody as clean or nice. You understand what I say? So, yeah, you win. Take your winnings. Take the winnings. My last YouTube video. Take the winnings. You want my channel? Take it. Take it. Go on with it. Go on with it. Allow people to be who they are. And bad to bad, as much as, oh, you know, I comment or not leaving a negative, me sure when you watch my video, when you see a man bust out a laugh. Because I come to YouTube for making a laugh. So I'm not trying an effort to be cute, to be pretty, or to be posting my body. I am here to make you laugh. Because me appreciate the laughter. You know how hard it is to actually find YouTubers who genuinely make you laugh? Most of the time when I watch even Jamaican YouTubers, I don't laugh when I just watch the video. I hardly even subscribe to them because they don't funny. They're not funny. Them just today. I don't laugh. Or I look on the people them will comment. Them not laugh to them just wicked. Just because them loyal them today. I know my content funny. You know why I know? Because me genuinely laugh at myself. So as much as I want to put in a hate comment, I'm sure when I laugh too. Bill. Matter of fact, come off of me so. Move. Come off of my channel. Move. You do damn bad mind. She black. She fat. You just find out from the Panshana channel. Me did fat and black. From over there. I never just come dropping an asphalt on my channel. I make a black tomorrow. I make a black the next day. I make a black the next day. I make a black next year. I make a black when me dead at the time I make a black. So brace yourself. Come off of my channel. Get the hell off my channel. Come off of my channel. Sit my stomach. Because there are these persons in box and them people that say, me I gonna need a shout out. Kim, me I gonna want a shout out in the next video. Who you talk to? Who you talk to? Or Kim, me I gonna need a free shout out in the next video. Excuse you? What's that? You see me can't ask for a time and say me I gonna need some free grocery? I mean, and it's not a matter of asking me for it for free, I approach. Kim, me I gonna need a free shout out. Kim, give me a free shout out in the next video. Kim, me I watch the next video and me I look out to my shout out. Who you think you talk to? Excuse you? You think me got just go say, you know, me gonna need one free hairdo? You think me got me nail take go say, you know, say me gonna need one free paint up? How do you think I deal with? I done. All that me stop do it. Me stop it. Because the same that them will comment under my video, like them use the same name on YouTube, same name on them Instagram, them will comment on my video negative stuff, and then I go on my Instagram and ask me for free shout out. Where? I not do it. If you haven't gotten the shout out already, me not doing it. And I don't think anybody in my Instagram right now will wait for one shout out because I tell them say me go do it. Me not do no more. Nope. If you're not paying for it, I'm not doing it. And even if I jump in my inbox, Kim, you're gonna need a shout out. This is the money. I'm still not gonna do it, so you can't keep it. Because you need to know how to approach me. Good to for the bad. Everybody goes. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Want to attack? You know what? I talk too much. You know what? This is gonna be my last YouTube video. Kim Squad, oh my god. We don't know what I said to Kim Squad. Lord Jesus. Kim Squad. I don't know what to say to my squad. I don't know what to say to my squad because Lord Jesus. Oof. I've had enough. 100% enough. 110% enough. Like, I don't know why you guys are hating on the don't know me. Like, you don't know me. You don't know me like you've never met me. The like I've only met 3 persons who subscribe to my channel. 3 people. And I guess those 3 persons can say she's kind of goofy because I met one last night. And she said, Kim, why are they? I said, because I couldn't figure out what she was talking about. I said, what? So she says, me subscribe to your channel. And I said, oh, what? I live here, so that's why I'm here. But I'm saying those persons cannot test that. I'm actually a very nice person, you know, but I realize, say, if me continue with YouTube, like, them people here, where I comment negative on my video, they're going to really draw me out. And they're really going to... But I just feel like I'm going to become something that I'm not because I'm going to answer you. And I'm not talking about answering as pleasant as I did because this is quite pleasant, you know. This is quite pleasant. You know, I've had enough. Kim Squad, I love you guys. I respect you guys. I appreciate you guys. And my sister only did it because I see under somebody comment them, I see I'll be jump on somebody and I say, yeah, no problem, yeah. Attack, that's what she wanted. I don't know what to say, guys. Kim Squad, I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Fun and joke aside, I really love and appreciate all of you guys. I do. But this is my last YouTube video. Sorry about that.
People here to them not understand and feel them can conquer.